Hello guys, today's part 1 of match attacks. So yeah, let's get right into it. So we're going to get some pages and start our match attack filming. So yeah.
Okay, this is one of them. So Theo Walcott, Sergio Busquets, Joe Campbell Jr., Neymar Jr., Dwight McNeil, Claudio Jacob, Riyad Mahrez, Laurent Koscielny, and it's going to be the manager for Arsenal, Arsene Wenger. And now we've got Modu Borrow, Luke Shaw, J. Rodriguez, Lasagna, Henry Savet, man of the match, Jordan Rodgers, and the other one's Laurent Koscielny, Chris Metham, and Frank Ribery and Arjen Robben. And now we're on Joshua King, Matteo Darmian, Andy Carroll. And now we're on Luka, I don't know how to spell his name, but Luka Mivejic, however you pronounce his name, Bruno Stalter, and it's going to be Philip and Ivan Marcano. And now we're on Fernandinho, James Ward-Prowse, Jason Punchin. And now we've got George Boyd, Ashley Westwood, Aidan O'Neill. And now we're on Matthew Lawton, and it's a tactical tactic, and it's a logo for Liverpool Football Club. And now we're on Mark Albrighton. And now we're on Joey Barton, Jordan Verhout, and Ben Mee. And we've got Aaron Cresswell, Adam Clayton, and Ben Foster. And now we're on James Tarkow, Eddie Howe, and the goodest player, I didn't know how we got this player, but it's Oliver Giroud. His defense is 29, his attack is 93, silver limited edition, 5 stars. And this is a tactic card, Huddersfield Town. We've got Stephen Ward, we've got Chris Wood, and we've got... And now we've got Michi Batshuayi. And now we've got Connor Wickham, and we've got Tomer Hamed. A tactic card, which is injuries, and we've got another tactic card is Tottenham Hotspurs, and we've got another Tottenham Hotspurs player, which is Moussa Sissoko. We've got Oscar. I can't tell the full name because he just has Oscar in his name, that's all. And Jack Butland, for Stoke City goalkeeper, Samir Nasri. So guys, this is the end of the match attack book, and guys, it's not the end of the book, sorry. If we hit 20 subscribers, we'll give a match attack giveaway, like a load of it if we hit 20 subscribers. So let's go on with the other match attacks. And goodbye guys, it's the end of the match attack book. it's not actually the end. There will be other parts of it, and like I said, hit 20 subscribers.